Mirimu iria itagwatanagio na njira o yothe iria ni mirimu ta kansa, murimu wa shukari, murimu wa higo hamwe na ingi niyo kihumo gia ikuo iria nyingi cionekaga guku bururi-ini hamwe na thĩ ng'ima. Andũ matanyiheire milioni 40 nio makuaga o mwaka kumana na mirimu ino, giki ari gicunji kia 70% namba ino igitanywo kuongerereka na gicunji kia 70% gugikinyeria mwaka wa 2030. Akiaria kigomano-ini kia o mwaka kigie mirimu ino, muikariri giti wa ikundi cia kuhurana na mirimu ino John Gikiro augite mirimu ino ni ikoragwo na garama ya iguru kumirigita, akiuga thirikari ifatia gukorwo ikirihia magoti ma mwanya niguo kugacirithia bara ya kuhurana na mirimu ino.
Non-communicable diseases, which is what we refer to as NCDs, account for 50% of hospital admissions, 55% of hospital deaths, and 39% of total deaths in Kenya. And this is from a stepwise survey of 2014. And it is estimated that by 2030, deaths due to communicable diseases will decrease by 48%, while deaths due to NCDs will rise by 55%, and this is according to the Ministry of Health projections 2015.
Gikiro oho niongereire ati ng'enda iria ihuthikaga kugura irio cia na ihenya na njira cia kiriu oro hamwe na irio cia mithemba ino ciagirirwo ni kurihio igoti niguo kunyihia uhuthiri wacio, akiuga ni icangagira mirimu ino kuongerereka.
Is it time to start thinking of an NCD levy? You will all recall when the Jubilee government started and proposed to do the SGR railway. President Kenyatta announced or introduced the railway development levy, and that levy has been able to raise quite a substantial amount of money for that development. And one would think, would it be a good idea for us to introduce an NCD levy?
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Jerry wa Kiroji.